Tired of struggling financially? Learn how to make money online. What is there to do to make money online today? The fact is that anything that makes money in real life has a virtual counterpart. On top of that, there are many money-making opportunities which are only available online. Start watching the rest of this video to learn more. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a non-profit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. If you do not want to put a large monetary investment into your online business, consider buying and selling domains. Basically, purchase a domain at a rock-bottom price. From there, sell it for a profit. Remember, though, to do your research and figure out which domain names are in demand. Freelancing is a great way to work online. There are a number of sites that will allow you to log on and put in an idea or proposal. Buyers then search the available options and figure out what they would like to purchase. Freelancing is best suited for skills that involve things like programming and data entry. Be grounded in your expectations about making money online. It still takes time and effort. Block out an hour a day from your schedule to spend online working on things, but do not quit your day job yet. It could be days or even weeks before you even know what you are good at. Those who have done best over time have always been the people who educate themselves. The fact that you took the time to watch this video shows that you are dedicated to your own success. As long as you use this learning wisely, you will be able to make money online in no time. Student loan.